Hello everyone, today we're going to make a reaction to Can I Get a Sequel? This is a sequel to the first video I reacted to. Also made by Pymations, originally in description. I'll start the video. Okay, let's see how this will go. Alright then.
Welcome to Buddy's. Can I take your order?
Yeah, can I get a
Alright then.
number
We have
one
an
flopper
ordering
cheese
at
chicken sandwich for me.
Buddy's
I'll have
restaurant.
a quartet pounder, please.
Quarter pounder. In Europe it's Mac Royal.
And a small coffee.
Alright then.
Pull up to the window, please. That'll be $22.56. Sure. Let me just
There's no money. Now it became the song. I got this in. This would be the thumbnail. Goodbye.